This is a conversation flowchart for automating customer support for e-commerce stores. So this is AI conversation chatbot. So user sends a message, hello, I need help. Then AI says, hello, I am Co-Gadget's customer service AI bot. Please select item you have question about. Then it sends these items into the chat, blender, microwave, oven, fridge, etc. Then AI says, so if user clicks blender, AI says, I am here to answer any question about blender. How do I clean my blender? And then AI searches information in the knowledge base. If it finds information, step 1, do this, do that. So it displays information or not found. It says, sorry, I am not able to find information about the blender. And then it sends more buttons. Ask another question about blender. Contact human support. End conversation. Select different item. Select different item will bring you back to item selection here, microwave oven. And ask another question about blender will bring you to the I am here to answer a question about blender. So this is the conversation flowchart that I'm currently developing. If you have any suggestions, give them below, and you can download this chart in the link below. Thank you for watching. In my company, I offer customer support automation for repetitive questions in e-commerce stores, that questions that you answer that's every time the same. So you can contact me if you need any help. Thank you for watching.